Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make a pencil stand. So let's begin. So first take a square paper and fold it in half. Then again fold it in half as shown in the video and do same on the second side. Now fold the ends of the paper as shown in the video. And then fold both the sides till middle as shown in the video. Now turn the paper and fold it from the middle. And again fold it in half from both the sides. Now follow the steps as shown in the video. Now make such 6 triangles and start sticking it one by one as shown in the video. Now after sticking all the triangles, your pencil stand should look like this. Now stick some flowers on it and your pencil stand should look like this. Now stick the base of the pencil stand. Your pencil stand should look like this. And yeah, it is ready. Subscribe for more such videos. Bye.